are new to our channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for future notifications. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Give your valuable feedback through comments. Let's get started with our today's topic. The world is largely known through our senses. The sense of sight is one of the most important senses humans have, from which we see everything around us. But are eyes alone responsible for the joy of vision? Today, we are going to discuss about the other factors which causes our vision, our sight, through which we are able to see and enjoy the beauty of nature around us. It sit high, glowing and watch the world go by. Without it, everything would seem dull and dangerous. It make our day bright and night alive. It gives us the sensation of sight. When it comes to speed, nothing can beat its flight. Absence of it creates darkness around us. What it is? Yes, it is light. In this module, we are going to discuss about the very basic introduction of light. As we know, in daily life, light is something which allows us to see the beauty of nature or whatever is present around us. In general science, light is defined as the form of energy which gives us the sensation of sight. It is the primary form of energy that reaches the earth from the sun, which is responsible for photosynthesis. So this is the basic energy which we get from the sun, and it is actually responsible for life on earth. Now moving to the subject, particularly in physics, it is a form of electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength which can be detected by human eye. It exists in tiny energy particles called photons. Whenever there is an absence of light, it means darkness. Let's move on to the second topic, sources of light. A source is a place or object from which something originates. It is actually the existence, the origin of something. When we talk about light, based on the origin, light sources can be differentiated into two parts or two types. Firstly, the sources which are natural or God-made. They are known as the natural sources of light. Secondly, artificial sources of light, that are human-made or man-made sources. Let's compare both the sources of light side by side. Firstly, natural source of light. Natural sources of light are any object or organism which emits its own light, which is generated naturally, whereas the artificial source of light emits its own energy, which is created by human being artificially. Both the sources of light have their own light, but the natural source of light is created naturally, whereas the artificial source of light is being created by a human being. Secondly, natural source of light are all gift of God. There is no interference of human being, whereas the artificial source of light are man-made. They are completely made by human being. Now moving to the examples, natural sources of light. The examples of natural sources of light are the star, like our sun, fireflies, fire, etc. Whereas the artificial sources of light example are lamp, candle, bulb, torch, etc. We can also classify the sources of light on the basis of their glow or their luminous intensity. There are few objects which emit their own light. They can be natural or artificial. They are known as luminous object. For example, star, candle, bulb, fire, firefly. Whereas there are some objects which does not emit any kind of light. They are non-luminous objects, like our furniture, our stationary objects, books, stone, our planets, satellites, etc. Apart from the objects, there are some living organisms which emit their own light. They are called as bioluminescence. For example, a firefly, jellyfish, some aquatic plants, animals, fungi, mushrooms, glowworm. Now it's question time. Name some natural as well as artificial source of light, and also mention some luminous and non-luminous object in the comment box below. This was all about the basic of lights in this module. Light, which is a very important part of a human life, has many characteristics and special qualities, which we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and comment. If you feel the video is useful, share it with your friends and family. See you soon in the next video.